In the previous video, we have started with our new series. So in this video, we will continue that series and we are going to learn how could we connect a new file. Suppose we are creating a game. So if I create a new JavaScript file and if I do any changes here, how will it become reflected in a game? Because the computer doesn't know that I have created one more file. So for that reason, here we are going to right here script source is equal to game.js. So like this, we are going to connect it with our with our HTML file. I hope, sorry for it, this script. So I hope it is clear that how can we connect these files with our index.html, and if you are already aware of HTML, then you might know how we can connect such files into index.html, and index.html is the only which will display everything, and from here it will go to the different files and go. Suppose you have created your game, everything in different file, but if you haven't connected it here, then nothing is going to get previewed and it will think that it is a mistake of a game. But no, it's not the game's mistake, it's this file's mistake that you haven't connected it with this file. So I hope I'm pretty clear with what I want to tell you. Also this style.css, so you can ignore it. So it is just showing that canvas is equal to display block. So mean it is equal to display block. And if you're not aware with CSS much, then I won't pressurize you to learn CSS, because now we are just doing JavaScript and we would be doing our everything, all styling of our game with JavaScript only for this type in this P5 editor, because we are focusing to learn JavaScript only, but so we will not go in deep to learn CSS and HTML. We are just going to learn JavaScript.